Good morning, friends. General Science, Class 8, Chapter 7, Metals and Non-Metals, Part 3, Physical Properties of Metals. Friends, generally, scientists classified all the elements into three types. These are metals, non-metals, and metalloids. In this part, we see physical properties of metals. First, we see what are metals, the elements which form positive ions by donating electrons in chemical reactions are called as metals. Gold, silver, copper, and iron are some common examples of metals. Friends, this part is very useful for the students of class 5 to 12, and it is also useful for all the students which are preparing for various competitive exams. So let's see physical properties of metals. Physical properties of metals. Number 1, physical state. Generally, metals are found in solid state at ordinary temperature. However, metals like mercury is exception to it because mercury is found in liquid state at room temperature. Thus, mercury is used in thermometer and blood pressure measuring device. Number 2, luster. Generally, metals have luster when light falls on the surface of metals like gold, silver, and aluminum. Light gets reflected from the surface of these metals. Due to this, metals look lustrous. Hence, metal have luster. Number 3, hardness. Generally, metals are hard, but metals like lithium, sodium, and potassium are exception to it because these metals are soft and can be cut easily by knife. Number 4, ductility. Generally, metals are ductile. Metals can be drawn into wire. The property of metals to be drawn into wires is called as ductility. Gold, silver, and aluminum are highly ductile metals, whereas gold is the most ductile metal. Number 5, malleability. Generally, metals are malleable. Metals can be converted into thin sheets on hammering. The properties of metals to be converted into thin sheets is called as malleability. Gold, silver, aluminum, and iron are highly malleable metals, whereas gold is the most malleable metal. Number 6, conduction of heat. Generally, metals are good conductor of heat. Iron, copper, aluminum are good conductor of heat. Number 7, conduction of electricity. Generally, metals are good conductor of electricity, but lead is exception to it Number 8. Density. Generally, metals have high density, but lithium, sodium, and potassium are exception to it. The densities of these elements are less than density of water. Number 9. Melting point and boiling point. Generally, metals have high melting point and high boiling point, but metals like mercury, gallium, sodium, and potassium are exception to it. Number 10. Sonority. Generally, metals are sonorous. Metals produces sound on hitting them. The properties of metals to produce sound on beating them is called as sonority. Thus, metals are sonorous. Hence, metals are used to make school bells. These are various physical properties of metals. Thank you very much.